Peter Bowman here, personal injury attorney in Connecticut, and I want to talk to you about one of the biggest wastes of money that attorneys have and that we've done. And that's law books, ladies and gentlemen. We have these beautiful leather-bound law books we get in law school. Tort and injury law, that's what I do, personal injury cases. This book's several $100s, the class several thousand. Secured transactions, beautiful green book, will look fantastic on a shelf. I'm sure everyone remembers sleeping through this class. Checks and UCC, that's not exciting. Criminal law, great stories in this book about criminals and the prosecution of them. This book, again, several $100s, probably 400. Wills, trusts, and estates, a crucial aspect of representing people in practice and interesting stuff, but again, thousands of dollars wasted. I say that because as we look at this book here, Tort and Injury Law, nothing in this book ever taught me how to get a single client. We leave law school without the ability to find clients, without the ability to know how to make money as a lawyer. And that's a problem. So if you're a law student, a solo practitioner, or a long-time established lawyer at a large firm, the most important information you need when you leave law school or in your practice is how to get clients and maintain them, and how ultimately to make money. And so if you're a lawyer who's struggling, you need to refocus. And here are 3 tips that are not in these books as to how you can find more clients and make more money. First, super easy, low budget, you can go out and make yourself a website and increase your online presence. So once you have a website, verify your location and office location on Google Maps. Work to make sure that your Facebook and other social media pages are at least somewhat active. And these are free things that you can do. A website probably costs $100 and can be even cheaper. Google Maps is free and the social media aspects are free. Have an online presence. Second, make sure your friends and relatives know what type of law you do and what clients you want. If you're a real estate attorney, make sure people know that you do real estate. In the past, I have come across people who didn't know that I was a personal injury attorney. And when I converse with them, they talk about how, oh, I just had a friend who was in a car crash. If I'd known, I'd send it to you. Those are missed business opportunities. So whether you're just starting out or a long-time lawyer, make sure people know who and what type of cases you handle. Finally, another very easy tip is to make sure that you look at the cases you want to have and figure out how you can get those cases. For example, this book here, Trust and Estates, again, doesn't tell anybody how to get a trust and estates client, but one way to do that is to focus your practice on and any advertising you have on trust and estates clients. Think about ways and introductions you can have. For example, one of the primary focuses of our primary sources of clients for trust and estates attorneys is financial advisors. That would look around your office location, see what financial advisors are coming up on Google searches, and ask them out to lunch. Take them out for a round of golf, meet with them for coffee, and talk about your practice. They may not have a client for you that day, but they may have one in the future. Another great example of this is the symbiotic relationship between real estate attorneys and realtors. If you're a real estate attorney, you have to have a relationship with a realtor, at least one, if not more. Give them free advice, be available to them, and those realtors will get you clients. I hope these 3 tips help you. Certainly it's more information and more profitable information than you ever learned reading these books in law school. Thanks, everyone.